Yeah, it's running good. Those Alkas are just so smooth on the trail. They just soak up all the little bumps.
I found nuts in my air box. So we're gonna do a deep clean on the air filter and the air system. We're gonna find the culprit and uninstall him, eliminate him, eject him. First we have to find him. It's probably a mouse. But anyway, I'm gonna wipe out the air box. I'm gonna clean off the air filter. It's time for that. And I'm going to blow out my intake lines and make sure we get everything cleaned out from there.
Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Feeling uneasy, I push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a date. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all on those.
On the bottom of your airbox, you have this little drain tube. I'm gonna pop that off. And you can see the culprit has given me a gift that I don't want. Alright, our air filter's clean. Blew out the intake line, blew out the throttle body intake, cleaned out the entire air box. We cleaned up the foam that would be from your engine vent. Everything's back good to go. I think what happened was some little critter came climbing up in here, thought this would be a nice place to build a home, ran down here, stashed away a few of his goodies in the airbox. Then, as much as I use this machine, probably just vacated and disappeared somewhere else. This is not a mouse home.
You know what other interesting thing about these Alteras is these footwells. When I had all the plastics off of here, I pulled this front off, and there's a bunch of little compartments down here that just can fill up with mud and silt and sand and everything. They do have drain holes, but I think maybe if the drain holes were a little larger, you might be able to wash the junk that you get in there out. Maybe the trick is just to drill the holes out a little larger to keep any junk from building up in there. I cleaned it out when I had it all apart, but it's just kind of a interesting design. Probably could have used a little more thought when they built that part, but just a random thing I found when I was pulling this thing all apart.
Alright, I'm just gonna stick on my plug down here, put this side back on, and we're good to go. I'm gonna also check my spark gap while I'm in here. Let's do that too. Looks okay. Well, check the gap on it. Alright, we got our plug cleaned up. We'll go ahead and stick that back in. Alright, we got the air filter cleaned up, checked the oil level, cleaned the spark plug. Everything's ready to go. Let's go rip.
Let's do it again. Let's go on the
Alright
day.
guys, it's running a lot better. It was dying out whenever I would have higher RPMs and then come down to a complete stop. But I checked the coil wire and stuffed that back into the spark plug boot a little bit. It seems to be getting a bit better connection now. So everything seems to be good.
Be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming.
Topped it up with oil. It only took like it was in between an eighth and a quarter of a quart of oil. Just a leftover I had. Just enough, topped it up, it's good to go now.
Tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about, so we can down and spend our I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life.
This Elka suspension, man, feels so smooth, so good. You guys getting a lot of rain? Seems like we get quite a bit for a few days and then it stops for a little while and a couple of days of dry, but it never fully dries out. And then we get a bunch of rain again. It's pretty wet this year. I need to pull this stick out of the trail here. It's gonna eat something. Yeah, it's running good. Those Alkas are just so smooth on the trail. They just soak up all the little bumps. Feels so good. There we go, guys. Got the ATV running pretty good. Little bit of a checkup maintenance on it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe, follow along, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.